ER, please hold. ER, please hold. Shoot me if I take this job again. ER.
Gun, I'll shoot you now.
ER, please hold. ER, please hold.
Call Fire Station 23. The number's right there. See if they can pick up these docs stuck at home. Yeah. What do you got?
Smoke inhalation. Yellow tag him to curtain 2.
Got it. Go.
Come on. Here we go. What do you got?
I kind of hurt my hand.
Let me see. Whoa, where's your thumb?
It's right here.
Hey, all right, Malik. Malik, red tag him straight to the OR. Okay, here's his thumb. Take it.
Mrs. Tweed, everything's fine. Everything's fine. Just relax. Just relax.
You okay?
Yeah.
Found her laying out in the snow. No idea who she belongs to.
All right, I'll take
Kid's got a set of lungs. Coat.
Dexter Jones, 25, bandrolled on him, no seatbelt. Left below the knee amputation. He's shocky. Rescue punch in the snow. Rescue 7's looking for the rest of his leg.
Got it. 7-2?
Uh-huh.
Okay, this is his next patient.
All right.
They come at you with that Foley catheter. Run, Jack! Don't walk!
Okay, take him up. OR2 is prep for when the cross-match blood's here. Send it out.
Hold in 7, hold in 7.
Run those to being in trauma 1. Go, Mookie.
Put you out, sir. You hit your
blood.
head.
Get the last one. CBC, tighten drop. Let's move. Come on, bring those in.
Whoa, I got a pumper.
Come on, bring those pads in. Here, put this on. All hands on deck. Let's move. Put it on and then put your hand on the tourniquet. Come on, Mookie, let's go. I'll make a surgeon out of you yet.
97.8, 90 over 50, cost 125. Pretty darn normal. Doug.
Yep.
Tank exploded, trapped in the car.
All right, DOA.
Mr. Ramos, seatbelt in male, vitals normal, multiple contusions and abrasions.
Mr. Ramos, does it hurt when I do this? No, do I? No? Okay, let me see. All right, exam 3. Pre-tag Mr. Ramos to the doctor's lounge. Here we go. Move him. All right, duck your head. Here we go. Straight back now, guys. Straight back.
He watches me. I sing because I'm happy. I sing because I'm free. For his eyes are on the sparrow, and I know he watches me.